Okay, guys, you are all welcome back to this channel, Step Action Tech. Today, I'm going to show you how to extract WhatsApp contacts, extract group contacts. Some of you have been requesting for this. Because of this, my WhatsApp group 5K status viewers. So, no problem. I'm going to help you extract the group contacts, and it's very simple. I believe so. We all know how to connect our WhatsApp on our desktop. If you don't know how to do that, just look down, browse through the channel. You see a video titled WhatsApp Spy, how to spy on WhatsApp contacts. That video is also, you can use the same method in that video to connect WhatsApp, your WhatsApp from the phone to the your desktop. Or you can just go to Chrome and search. You can all see it here, web.whatsapp.com. When you open it, and then you you also go into your phone and link your WhatsApp, as I said in the other video. So after doing that, when you open the group, you a particular group that you want to select it, just open that group. In the chat bottom, the description of the group, just point your mouse there. You can see all the contacts will appear. See there when I point it, you see. So you have to right click and go down here, inspect the group. When you click on inspect, you see something like this. You can see that this place has been selected here, but when I scroll, it will be showing me the selected place. When it gets to the contact, you see that it will select the contact here. So this is the contact that has been selected. You need to right click again, just right click again and go to copy, then move to copy outer HTML. Then you copy that one, right click to copy it. After copying this one, you need a HTML file translator or file editor. And here I'm going to use this HTML file editor. We call it Visual Studio Code. Let me Visual Studio Coding. This is the lesson. You can all see it. You can download it from your computer. You can download it. So just open it like this. Let me create a new file. You go to create a file, new file. Then make sure that you select HTML. Then in this bottom you paste your codes here. Just paste it. The contact that we selected, just paste everything. After that, don't do anything again. Just click on Control plus F. Control F, you see something like this. So show it this way. In this bottom, you type comma there. Let me clear it. You see, the Control plus F means find something. So what do we want to find? We will type comma there. We want to find comma. Let's go back. So here, what do we want to find? We'll type comma there. We want to find comma. You can see that all the commas has been highlighted. Then we want to replace comma with this one. This code BR in HTML means break. So before we do that, let me show you something. Let's save this file. Go to save as, or you can just save it direct, because we chose that it should be HTML. So in case you did not choose save as, and make sure that file type you let it be HTML. Then you write your file name here, So the name I can put it there, tutorial. Tutorial, my tutorial, and save it. Make sure you know the folder that you've saved it. So we've saved it. Let's go to our storage and locate that one. We save it as tutorial. You can see it here. That's tutorial. Let's open it. You see that the contacts and then those that have saved their names, they are all there. They are there, but we want it to be in what do we call it? I'm not here. I'm not trying to teach you HTML, but you need to get this background in HTML. So here you go back to your text editor and click on Control plus F, meaning find. So find, we will find comma. You type comma in the find bottom, and this bottom is for replace. What you find you want to replace it with. So make sure you bring this one open bracket and input br means break, and close the quotes. You close it. You can all see it. These brackets are supposed to be the less than, greater than these ones. So you first bring less than and input br, then greater than. After that, you send it here and click on it. That means replace all commas. When you click on it, you can see that all commas has been replaced with br. You can close this one and you save it again. This one, don't you save as, just choose save. Okay, auto save is on, so no problem. It will be saved. You go back to the this one and refresh it. You can see that it has been changed to this way. So now on this way, you can just click and hold on it and scroll down to select all those contacts that you want to select. After that, you click here to copy it, and anywhere that you want to send it, you can now send it, or whatsoever you want to do with it, you can go and do with it. I believe you people are enjoying this tutorial. So this way I will send it to this number. You can see that I've been sending some here. I'll just go here and right click and choose paste and send it. Okay, we've sent it. So that is how it works. If you are finding any difficulties, just email us through the email bottom or the description. You get a link there to email us. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to use mobile phone to also extract the contacts. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. Make sure you all subscribe for me.